Hello Chroma Kids, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to draw Genie. Do you know who is Genie? The Genie is a magical character who lives inside a lamp. When someone rubs the lamp, the Genie appears in a puff of smoke. The Genie is very powerful and can grant 3 wishes to the person who freed him. This means he can make almost anything happen in the stories. The Genie helps people with his magic and making their dreams come true. He is usually very friendly and loves to help people. The Genie teaches us that magic can be fun and exciting, especially when used to do good things. Genie is the character of story of Aladdin. In the story of Aladdin, a young boy named Aladdin finds the magical lamp and meets the Genie. Together they go exciting adventure. The Genie helps Aladdin become a prince and they work together to defeat the evil. The Genie is also very funny and loves to make jokes, which make him a favorite friend of Aladdin. Genie is a kind-hearted and always wants to help his friend. In the end, Aladdin uses his final wish to free the Genie, allow him to be happy and live freely. This act of kindness shows the true value of friendship and freedom. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for the more videos.